हेलो, कैसे हो आप लोग। तो ये वीडियो स्पेशली उन पेरेंट्स के लिए है जो अपने बेबीज़ का पासपोर्ट अप्लाई करना चाह रहे हैं। तो जैसे हम लोग रिसेंटली अपने बेबी का पासपोर्ट फाइल किया, तो क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट्स रिक्वायर्ड होते हैं बेबी के लिए। तो पासपोर्ट फॉर द माइनर अंडर बिलो 4 year old, व्हाट इज़ द डॉक्यूमेंट्स रिक्वायर्ड। पासपोर्ट of the parents, preferred mothers and father both mandatory, or if you have the Aadhaar card of the parents, better to have same address on the passport or Aadhaar where you are staying. So we chosen passport. After that, go to their website, create an account. No need to create account for the minor. Anyone parents can use or create his passport seva account. So we log in on that. So we apply fresh passport, filled all the documents required. It's not very much complicated. Take appointment on nearest PSK. We have chosen PSK Sai Eket near Sakara Hospital, Bangalore. Passport fees 900 rupees. Reach PSK on appointment date, exact on reporting time. Documents required: passport of the parents, Aadhaar of the parents, birth certificate of the kid can be downloaded from the Passport Seva website. Kid's passport size photo with white background. Only one required for the scanning. Both the parents should go for the kid's passport. Go with the original and photocopy. A-level document will be verified with original will be sent to A-level. A-level detail filled in passport form will be verified. Can be edited if anything is wrong. Kid passport photo will be scanned. A thumb impression will be taken, sent to the B level. In B level, same detail will be verified and sent to the C level. In C level, government officers will be sitting. They will verify all the details against the original and approve the application. And if everything is done, then it's all done and you have to go to exit gate. All the work was done within 20 minutes in PSK. We got passport within 2 days. No police verification is required for the kid. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please subscribe it, and hope that this video is useful for you. So thank you so much.